Curriculum adaptation involves modifying existing curricula to meet the diverse learning needs, abilities, and interests of students. This process ensures that the curriculum is accessible, engaging, and effective for all learners, including those with disabilities, English language learners, gifted students, and students with different learning styles. Here's a guide on how to adapt curriculum effectively. Understand student needs. 1. Conduct assessments and gather information about students' strengths, weaknesses, learning styles, interests, and cultural backgrounds. 2. Consider individualized education plans, IEPs, 504 plans, or other accommodations and modifications required for students with special needs. Review curriculum objectives and standards. 1. Identify the core objectives, learning outcomes, and essential concepts of the curriculum. 2. Ensure alignment with state standards, educational goals, and grade-level expectations. Identify areas for adaptation. 1. Determine which aspects of the curriculum may need adaptation based on student needs and characteristics. 2. Consider content, instructional strategies, assessments, materials, and resources that may require modification. Modify content and instruction. 1. Simplify or modify content to make it more accessible and comprehensible for students with diverse needs. 2. Provide additional explanations, examples, visuals, and scaffolds to support understanding. 3. Differentiate instruction by varying the pace, level of complexity, and instructional methods to accommodate different learning styles and abilities. Provide multiple means of representation. 1. Present information in multiple formats, such as text, visuals, audio, and hands-on activities, to cater to diverse learning preferences. 2. Offer opportunities for students to engage with content through various modalities, including visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and tactile approaches. Offer flexible assessment options. 1. Use a variety of assessment methods, such as performance tasks, portfolios, projects, and alternative assessments, to evaluate student learning. 2. Provide accommodations, modifications, or alternative assessments for students with disabilities or other special needs. Promote engagement and motivation. 1. Incorporate students' interests, preferences, and cultural backgrounds into the curriculum to enhance engagement and motivation. 2. Offer choice and autonomy whenever possible to empower students in their learning. Collaborate with colleagues and specialists. 1. Work collaboratively with special education teachers, support staff, content experts, and other colleagues to develop and implement effective adaptations. 2. Seek guidance and support from professionals with expertise in areas such as special education, English language learning, gifted education, and behavioral interventions. Monitor progress and adjustments. 1. Continuously monitor student progress and performance to assess the effectiveness of curriculum adaptations. 2. Make ongoing adjustments and modifications based on student feedback, assessment data, and observations. Reflect and refine practices. 1. Reflect on the outcomes of curriculum adaptations and refine practices based on lessons learned and best practices. 2. Continuously seek professional development opportunities to enhance knowledge and skills in curriculum adaptation and inclusive teaching practices. By following these steps, educators can effectively adapt curriculum to meet the diverse needs of all learners, promote inclusivity, and support student success in the classroom.